There is no try. There's do or do not. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully this is working. So this one is going to be really simple and short and quick. So let's say you change your layout. You're looking at this and you're saying, Mr. Balian, my south elevation looks really cool, but I want my balcony to be bigger. These bricks are gross, so I'm going to have to change those after. Okay. Did I say that out loud? I think I did. All right, so what I want to do is resize my balcony, folks. My balcony, okay? Chaitanya, this is for you. Edit, bound, no, all of us, really. I'm in architecture, right? If you click on anything, you either go over here to edit the material, right? Or, right? You know what the material, right? So if you wanted here to make it ceramic tile or wood finish, this would now be a wood finish. And I don't want to do that, obviously. I want to keep it as concrete floor. Where is that? I can't see anything here. The lights. Where's my regular generic? Let's go with generic, okay? That's a concrete floor. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go to Edit Boundary. I'm going to click on the front here. I'm going to extend it out like this, so my balcony comes out this far. Yeah. Justin? You're killing me, man. Okay, so here. Now I did that, right? So you notice that now my whole railing is off. So I'm just going to delete it right now just for the fun of it. And I'm going to go to Architecture and go to Railing, wherever it is here somewhere. I'm blind today. Before I start, folks, I'm going to change my railing to glass panel. Okay? And it's one line at a time. So I will start here. Boys, click. Then I would continue, and I'll do it again, all the way here, and maybe I'll come again, I'll click, and there. Okay? There it is. Done. Finito bambino. There. It's done. So now, again, it's a little weird. I should have my concrete further out. Okay, so I'm going to click here. Nothing's happening. If I click tab at the edge here, tab again, tab, nope, it's not picking up. Come on, baby. Don't prove me wrong here. There. Is that it? Yeah. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to edit again the boundary, right? I'm going to go over here and bring this down a bit. I want the railing inside, right? Within the parameters. Okay. Done. Rihanna. Okay. So this is done. So what I'm going to do is come down here, put a camera in here so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go to the little doghouse, camera over here. Boom. And this is what we're going to see right here. Lovely. Okay. And I need to bring my roof over here. I haven't done it yet, so let's do that after. Okay, so for now, this is what I have, okay? Again, this is really piecemeal. We're in grade 9 and 10. We're not really getting heavy into this. But what I'll do right now is I'll come down here. I'll show you guys. I don't get why the corners are done like that in this version, but I'll figure it out in our next time. So this is what I have. It's kind of cool, right? There it is, balcony, extended concrete, lovely. And now we come back here. This is what I have. What you guys can do now when you're ready, you take a screen grab, put it into your slides. Technically, in the future, we will do it within title sheets for Revit. We ran out of time this year. Bye for now. Balian out. I hope this recorded.